Help me. Just fix it.
I gotcha.
Neck.
Yep.
Nose. Ears. Chin. Do me. Just do me.
I gotcha. Man, you just...
How do I feel?
Oh, you can tell. Almost every area going down, you can feel a good one out of alignment.
Oh, shit. Okay. Yeah, you did it. Holy shit, yeah. Sorry for the Tourette's. Oh. I'm not shutting up because it hurts. I promise. I'm only shutting up because, holy shit. Wow. Well, thank you for the upper.
No, you're welcome.
Which way?
Yep.
Okay. That's perfect. Oh. My bad.
The other side.
It doesn't want to go now. Wait. Oh, I was wrong. That was me. That was my bad. I'm sorry.
No, you're good.
I went back. I shouldn't have done that. Oh. You sure I'm not breaking the camera? You know, I know.
You're good.
I'm telling you, I don't belong on this side. I'm an ugly guy. Oh, shit. Is it okay where my hands are? Mm-hmm. Okay. Oh, that sounded like a bunch of fish. Jellyfish all up in my ears. Actually sounded like the grizzle in my back. I'm fighting you. I hope I'm not fighting you.
No, you're good.
Oh, this one's gonna hurt. Oh, I knew that. Oh, oh, dude, that hurts. Oh no. Didn't want to do it. There's something. But it was in your head, in here.
Mm-hmm. All right, today.
Oh, come on.
I want you to rest.
More.
Ice.
More. Kill me. Come on. Do it again.
Hips up.
God.
Catch me.
Oh my God. That is an unreal feeling. I'm not kidding. I watch all your videos and I'm like, they're bugging. But oh my God. That's unreal.
What did you feel?
That went all the way down to like, I can't even tell you. Oh my God. Everyone needs this. I'm not kidding. Oh,
There we go.
that was huge.
Deep breath in and out. Catch your breath.
I felt that like down here. No joke.
Heck yeah.
Oh my God, that was insane. Okay. Ma, we gotta come back. Oh my God. I felt that all here. Oh my God. She's the type of person that goes, oh, ah, ee. Oh wow. Oh my God. Oh. Oh my God.
Needed it though.
Yeah. It's crazy. It like knocked the air out of you. To pull up?
No, you good.
Oh my God, that was amazing.
Don't let me try that on you.
Just check the shoulders.
Okay.
Get that. I'm imagining there's like a full-blown marching band outside, okay?
Yeah, that's something.
All with March Madness going on. Bring, yep. Perfect. All right, so this is a seated lumbar. It'll go upper lumbar, lower thoracic. I'm gonna have you just kind of slightly squeeze in.
Okay.
If the hip needs to go, you'll get the hip to go too here.
Okay.
So I'm gonna turn you towards me.
Okay. Oh,
Okay.
I'm trying not to curse.
You can relax your arms.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh shit. Holy shit. Damn, babe. Oh shit. I didn't even know my shit could crack like that. I'm so sorry. You're good, you're good. Damn.
Alright, we're gonna drop to the middle thoracic spine here. There we go. Now this one in that lower thoracic, I'm gonna have you take a deep breath in and out. Nope.
I just got taller.
Relax your legs, good.
Okay.
We're gonna do the leg pulls, you'll get some release in the ankle, the knee, going up to the hip.
Damn. Damn, I just felt that in my hip too.
And now for the best part.
Oh, I've been waiting for that one. Holy shit. Holy shit. Oh, goodness gracious.
Rest.
Oh, shit.
Catch your breath.
Oh, shit. Oh, my God.
What did you feel?
I feel like this ain't my body. Like, I literally feel like I just got taller. Like that pain that I normally feel here when I do have it, and down here, I feel like just, I guess, elongated.
You can make her
Oh, shit. We gonna measure. We'll measure when I'm done. Oh my God, that felt so good. Yeah, babe, I'm taller than you. I can feel it, but I'm taller than you. And even that, like, I could do this 1,000 times a day and feel the crack, crack, crack.
Yep, yep, yep.
No, I don't. Yeah, I don't feel it now. Like, not at all. I don't feel it now. I think you pulled my spine out. Put a new one in there, but I feel good. I feel really good.
Okay. This is how you need to be feeling.
Yes,
All the
exactly,
time.
exactly. Thank you so much.
We'll start up top here. Okay. There we go. Keep your thighs just a little bit to the table. Okay. I'm gonna rotate you this way. Heck yeah.
Oh, man.
Catch your breath.
Oh.
Yeah, this is a seated lumbar adjustment. I mean, that thing, that just, whew.
Man, I can't remember the last time I was like ever that far over. Oh, man.
All right, we're gonna check the other side here. Okay. You can relax your arms.
Oh, man.
Lift up, okay. And with the Y strap, we're gonna decompress the spine here.
Oh my God. Oh. 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 Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh man.
What did you feel?
Oh, like right in the middle. It just right where that cluster is at. It just all spread out. Oh, like I feel like I stretched in my back. Oh my God. That's a big relief.
Have you ever had that done before?
No.
Yeah, this is where it's at. Whole heck of a lot better. You're actually getting some movement. It's not like your entire body's rocking back and forth anymore.
Yeah.
Flip onto your back for me. Gonna do leg pull. Help release the ankle, knee, going up to the hip. How do you feel?
I feel like I'm maybe a little like an inch or two taller. I definitely feel more length in my spine. Now I feel like I may have some more movement, a little bit more rotation.
Heck yeah. There we go. Whew. Oh, that opened up that neck there. Yeah. There it was. Drop down a little bit lower, that lower thoracic here. Good. Okay, we're gonna bring that arm up. Bring the other arm up here. Good. Gonna rotate you this way. There we go. Good. And then you can relax your arms. And now we're going to use the Y strap. Oh, have you had this one done before?
I have not.
Okay. Well, this is going to decompress the spine. And just rest.
Oh, that felt so good.
Relax. Catch your breath. What did you feel?
What I'm supposed to do. All down my spine.
Heck yeah. Yeah, yours I heard pretty good too.
I needed that. That's what it felt like too.
Heck yeah. Yeah, not too bad of movement, so I'm not going to do anything too intense with the drops here. But just want to go through, hit both the right and left SI joint, the sacrum, and then the lumbar spine into the thoracic. You felt that one up in there again. And then relax your legs for me. So with this, we're going to do that leg pull. You're going to feel release in the hip, knee going down to the ankle. Relax that ankle. There it was. There we go.
Should I pull myself back up?
No, you get on this one because I'm going to pull you down. There it was. Good. How do you feel?
Better.
Good.